Hi, my name is Audrey Barber, and I'm an Associate Business Manager with Micro Security and Software Business Unit here at Maxim Integrated. Today, we'll be looking at the DS28Z40, which is our first secure authenticator for automotive applications. This authenticator is great for making sure that any peripherals giving mission-critical data, such as cameras or sensors, are authentic and OEM-approved components. Let's go into the GUI to learn more about how it works. So here we have the DeLorean to go with our theme of bringing automotive security into the future. I also have with us a real replica of the DeLorean right here that corresponds to the GUI, so we can test out some of the features where you could add authentication and see them working in real time. So first up, we have authenticating a camera. So this could be a backup camera. This could also be any camera being used in an ADAS system or being even used to detect whether the driver is attentive. And so you can see here that this camera is being authenticated. So you can see the live video stream here. And now we will try authenticating it. And it shows here that it's a valid part of the system. So this authentication happens by using ECDSA cryptography. So the private key is stored in the device that's embedded into the camera. The public key is read by the host ECU, which in this case is the PC. And both sides use ECDSA math. And the host ECU is able to verify that the camera is an authentic part of the system. So now we'll return home and we'll test out another feature, which is the battery. So a lot of electric vehicles are interested in adding security because, as you know, lithium-ion batteries can be incredibly dangerous. And so having a non-authentic battery might compromise the entire system and the safety of the vehicle. So OEMs can add the secure authenticator to make sure that if the electric vehicle battery is replaced, it's an OEM approved component. All right, so let's authenticate this battery. So as you can see, this is an unauthorized battery. Now I'm going to go in, and as you can see here, on our actual DeLorean, we have a non-authentic battery right here. So now I'm going to replace that with the authentic OEM approved component. And let's try that again. And here you can see an authentic battery is detected. Now let's go back to the main page. Next up, we have front light modules. So one concern is if the front lights are not valid, they could be not as bright, which could be a safety hazard if the vehicle is being driven at night. Or it could be that sometimes people are using these matrix lighting systems to flash their lights in various patterns. And again, that might cause safety concerns. So this way, the OEM can ensure that only OEM approved front light modules are being put into their system. So here we have non-authentic headlights being detected. And as you can see, these are kind of a yellowish color, which might not be as effective in the dark. And so that could be a safety hazard and not up to the OEM standard. So now I'm going to remove the inauthentic headlights and replace them with the authentic pair of headlights that has the Automotive Authenticator embedded in them. And we'll see that they are a bright white. And here you can see that the authentic headlights worked, and you can see that the color is so much more vibrant than the non-authentic headlights and a lot safer for driving at night. There's a lot of other features in the vehicle that can be authenticated, really any peripheral. So like we mentioned, sensors, LiDAR, radar, anything for the ADAS system. And another area that we are looking into is the airbag. So although this is not hardwired into the physical demo, we have it here where you can see authenticating the airbag on the GUI. There have been a lot of cases where inauthentic airbags have been seized, and some of these, most of them actually, don't even deploy if you're in an accident. And this can lead to serious injury and sometimes even fatalities. So authenticating safety components such as airbags is incredibly crucial to vehicle performance. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about Maxim Integrated's newest secure authenticator for automotive applications. To learn more about how Maxim is taking automotive security into the future, visit our website. Thanks for watching.